It's saying 13.3 volts. Nearly fully charged. That's good. And that's it. About 9 kilos. 9.8 I think for 100 amp. I've tested the battery. This battery's running at now 12.5, but just it runs down so quick. I've tested the voltage from the alternator. It's running at 14 volts, so that's good. Might run up to 14.2 at full revs, but the maximum the battery should be connected to, the new lithium, is 14 volts, so I'm happy with that according to the instructions. First thing is disconnect this positive so there's no power going to the car, then I can play around. Okay, and now we'll disconnect the negative. Hopefully this is on. 50-50 chance. Okay, should be ready to lift that out. No sparks, this is good. Right. Should be able to lift this out. Oh God, that's heavy. Gotta say, it's a lot lighter. Alright, to clean out these terminals because they're quite corroded by the look of it. Alright, so the battery sits in perfectly, surprisingly enough. I've given these a bit of a score so they're nice and clean. I can do a bit more. Of course, the big test is the car starts. No, just need to secure the battery. We'll just make sure we still have voltage. .28 volts. Fingers crossed it will start. Been a long time since it's been that easy to start. Still on. And we're charging at 13.94 volts. 13.95, 96. Good. Good. So let's hope that the details about lithium batteries dying in an engine bay quickly are not true.